Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the division house method for long division. This visual approach makes dividing larger numbers much easier to understand and execute. We'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps, ensuring you can confidently solve any division problem. Get ready to master long division with this straight. First, let's set up our division problem correctly. Imagine the division house as a small shelter. The number being divided, called the dividend, goes inside the house. The number doing the dividing, known as the divisor, sits just outside to the left. The answer, or quotient, will appear neatly on top of the house as we work through the steps. Joining a friend's server is just as simple. Launch the Beam MP client and navigate to the Multiplayer tab. Here, you can browse a list of available servers or directly search for your friend's server using its name or the specific IP address they provided. If the host has set a password, make sure to enter it correctly to gain access. Once connected, you're ready to jump into the action and enjoy some awesome driving with your pals. Continue repeating the 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down until you have used every digit of the dividend. If there's a number left over at the very end, that's your remainder. The complete number you've written on top of the division house is your final answer, the quotient. With practice, this method becomes second nature for solving division problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.